Hey guys, it's Ansi and I'm back for a new vlog. So today is December 31. Wait lang. December 31. It's already 6:50 PM. Ngayon ako nakapag-intro pero marami na akong clips kanina. So samahan niyo kami sa pag-prepare this coming New Year. So ilang oras na lang is New Year na. So 5 hours. So see you guys. Yummy. Okay, guys, so we'll get the cheese. Okay guys, so we will cut using this grinder. This is automatic grinder. And ikakat natin ito with bawang. Okay, I'm done na. Tapos na akong mag-drain pala. Wala akong nag-cut. Ay, sorry. Nag-grind lang ako ng bawang sibuyas and bell pepper. But guys, magpapak tayo ngayon ng ating mga prizes and gifts. So yeah. So let's go. Like that. So, ganito yung magiging packing niya with this tag. Ganyan siya. These are my gifts. Pero ito yung pang-exchange gift. This one. So, may tag na siya. Magkakamukha siyang tag. Ayan. Lahat sila may penguin na to. Spaghetti! Made by me. And guys, I'm currently fixing this, yung mga isabit sa door. Like this. Can you hear me? Like this. Pero ito last year pa. So, ito siya ngayon. Yung may bigas, may coins, may grapes, and merong sugar and salt. So yeah, let's go! Tapos na! Tapos na yung isa. Another one! Let's get more! Let's go here. May effect. Ay, ang outfit ni Taki, hindi na. Ay guys, sorry. Someone talk to me. Agoy! Small problem. Here's the about. Dumi! Dumi ng damit. Hindi ko lang po nadirinig niyo ako. Kasi some music here. Hey, Dawn! Another dawn, guys. So, see you later. Since maliligo pa ako, oh my gosh. Okay, bye, guys. At the chicken. Ay, the ano. I don't know what they called. Look at this. Say hello, guys! Well, just the head. Hi guys, di pa rin ako nakakaligo. Because I'm cooking pasta for my spaghetti. So, see you later talaga. So, ready to spaghetti. We'll add sauce. This is the sauce that I cooked kanina. Look. Wawa si Taki. Wawa yung mga dogs. May fireworks. Yan. Kaligo na rin finally. And I'm done with my makeup. Say hi to you and...
Camera lang yan.
Oh! Pero crunchy! Talatay, kagandi mo! Yeah! Hindi matatala kung crunchy! Uy, nagtitignan ko! Uy, sabi mo, Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Ay! Hey! Hey guys! Open na ako nito. Aguyay, mabuksan!
Ba't na?
Happy New Year! Ay, Happy New Year! Hey! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! fireworks, guys. Ay, wala pa na normal na. Happy New Year! Happy fireworks! Oh, Gardu. Si Rana. Happy New Year, guys!
Inumin
Hindi mo mawag kayo ulo mo dyan. Umapalantos ka. Baka mabot tayo puto ko.
Sa taong ba yung kumakain?
Punta tayo gumukbang na lalo.
O, Jeme, isingin ka namin mamaya, ah.
Ha?
Isingin ka namin mamaya.
Bakit?
Start, mamaya.
Gigisingin, te?
Bigyan pa ako ah. Bakit lang pinag...
Gigisingin ko na, di ko pa natutulog, eh.
Ako. Thank you.
Tignan nyo, guys, crunchy.
Masarap sana, kaya lang.
Hindi agad taste. Bakit? O, sinong una? Si Linda! Si Mamo! Si Mamo!
One, two, three. Isa pa ba?
What is that? Open! Go!
Wow, pinagaganda.
Wow!
Tingin. Oh, ganda. Do you like it?
Oh, where's your gift?
Apa nga ako? Didi.
Interview.
Smile.
Video here. Oh, what is that? What?
Si Mago.
Ah, si Mado! Mado! May interview pala. Open gift!
I like this.
What's that?
Ganda.
Ay, karte naman.
Wow, let's go!
Yes. One, two, three. Sirain.
Sira, para maulit!
Sirain mo pa, ulit pa. Color of the year, mamaya.
Wow!
Si Mamo.
Yan.
Ba? Uy! Yan. Wait, baby, open mo.
Sobrang masarap na sa budget yung akin.
Wow! Eh! Oh!
Nadagdagan na ano ni Lohan, no?
Collection! Nagulo na, oh. Wow! Social! Oh, picture, picture.
1, 2.
Nabulot ko, guys! So... Ay, para sa Wait lang. Happy New Year. Hi guys, just got home and this is my outfit. This is a pants na pink and a shirt from Frigo and a bag from Exchange Gift. Wait. This is a bag from Exchange Gift, so cute. And gift again. Gift then a Nike shoes. And yeah, that's my outfit kanina. And then a ribbon and my hair. Hi guys, so today is January 1. They're preparing things. Kain na guys. Mama, look at here. Uy! Guys!
Huwag daw akong magpakisap na.
Nabusog ka ba guys? Nabusog ka guys? Nabusog ka?
Nay, si.
Ikaw na nabusog ka? Yes. Yun. Si Tito Rodel, nabusog ka ba?
Oo, sold.
Action pa rin. Telegram B! Ano kayo?
75. Dahil na siya yung palit ng palit.
Wala pa. Kainin niya naman, kainin. Sayang.
B! Araw ng kalayaan.
Also, I forgot. These are the things that I received this New Year. Actually, ito yung price na binalot ko kagabi. Ito yung mga prices. And let's open it, guys. Can you hear me ba? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Wala naririnig, diba? But yeah. So, these are my prices because of yung nanalo ko sa sing. So, sakto, it's color pink. It's random, actually. It's random colors. This is mine. I have two. It's pink. Oh, it's pink and blue, guys. It's pink and blue. Minangagaw pa ng price ko. Diyos ko. And then, ito nga yung bag na gamit ko kanina. So cute. And then, toothbrush na kailangan na. Saktong-sakto for New Year. Toothbrush. New Year, new toothbrush. So, how's your New Year, guys? How's your first day of 2024? It's already 11:39. Oh gosh, 11:39 p.m. January 1, Monday. So, how's your first day of 2024? Masaya ba? Meaningful or yeah, or blessed? So, it's already 11:39. So tired for this day. And this ends our vlog, guys, for today. For this vlog lang. But, see you on our more vlogs to come ngayong 2024. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye, guys! Say bye-bye, Taki!